Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Green River, UT. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring a seasonal outdoor pool, this motel is 55 miles from Arches National Park off Highway 70 in Green River, Utah. All rooms include free Wi-Fi and a cable TV with extended channels. Laundry facilities is located on site. Each air-conditioned room at Green River Motel 6 features a private bathroom and flat-screen TV. Rooms are decorated in soft colors with light wood furnishings. 24-hour reception is offered at Motel 6 Green River. Fax and photocopying services are available. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are located on site. Goblin Valley State Park is 50 miles away from this motel. Canyonlands Field Airport is a 35-minute drive away. Moab is 50 miles southeast of this motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.